me if the things are different in your area. But for me,
Here
for the
we have
last
a
2 years, I have
Philco
some people dropping dead
Transitown
in the street. I know there's people in the hospital,
46200,
not as many as
recently
my governor was trying to tell me. By
restored.
the way,
Uh,
at one
all
point there was
capacitors have
nobody
been
in my local
replaced, tubes have
hospital
been
for COVID.
checked,
But the governor
and
made
any
it sound
weak
like
tubes
our
were
ICU beds
replaced.
were overwhelmed.
Cabinet
That
has
wasn't
been
true, but there's
refinished to
certainly a
the
surge
original
now. And
color,
yes, hospitals are busy,
and
and
it's
yes,
currently
healthcare is a
playing
bit.
and receiving AM stations very well. There's limited number of stations on AM here in St. Augustine, but the ones that are available are receiving
We're
pretty
talking
well.
about in LA.
We're
talking about AM.
There's only 2 local.
Right now, what's Tam put in my mind? He said this, and listen to it. It is what you sow that...
So, there you go. This 46200
So all of these things that
can
if
be
you look around
yours.
you,
This 46200 can be yours. And also I did replace the dial cover because the original one was cracked and yellowed, so I had to replace that. Also has a new back on it, and everything cleaned up really well, and the radio would look great in anyone's home. I thought about keeping it myself, but then decided that I have too many radios already. I need to get rid of 1 or 2, and the 46200 is one that I've worked on quite a bit. I've worked a number of those and restored them, and really pleased with the way this one came out. So there it is. If you are interested, let me know. It will be posted on eBay.